Did you know that nearly 1 in 4 people worldwide are affected by fatty liver disease? And most don't even know it. The good news is that in many cases, fatty liver can actually be reversed naturally. So if you've been told you have fatty liver, or if you just want to protect your liver health, stick around, because in this video I'll share simple but powerful natural strategies you can start today to heal your liver and boost your energy. And hey, if you find this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so we can spread more health knowledge together. In the next few minutes, you'll learn what fatty liver actually is, the key foods and habits that make it worse, and most importantly, the natural steps you can take to reverse it without medications. First, let's quickly understand what fatty liver is. Your liver's job is to filter toxins, process nutrients, and keep your body running smoothly. But when fat builds up inside liver cells, it becomes what we call fatty liver disease. There are two main types: alcoholic fatty liver, caused by drinking too much alcohol; non-alcoholic fatty liver, NAFLD, which is linked to poor diet, obesity, insulin resistance, and lack of exercise. Most people with fatty liver don't feel symptoms at first, but over time it can lead to inflammation, liver damage, and even serious conditions like cirrhosis. That's why early action is so important. Before we talk about reversing it, let's quickly cover what makes it worse. Diets high in refined carbs and sugars, like white bread, sodas, and pastries, overload the liver with fat. Too much alcohol puts direct stress on liver cells. A sedentary lifestyle slows down fat metabolism. So the first step is to remove the culprits. Imagine your liver as a sponge. If you keep pouring oil on it, it'll stay soaked. But if you stop the oil, the sponge has a chance to dry out. Now, let's get to the good part: how to reverse fatty liver naturally. 1. Clean up your diet. Focus on whole unprocessed foods: vegetables, lean proteins, legumes, nuts, and seeds. Swap refined carbs with whole grains like brown rice, quinoa, or oats. Increase fiber. It helps your body flush out fat and toxins. 2. Limit sugar and fructose. Fructose, especially from sugary drinks and processed foods, directly increases fat storage in the liver. Cutting sodas and packaged juices is one of the fastest ways to reduce liver fat. 3. Choose healthy fats. Not all fats are bad. Olive oil, avocados, fatty fish like salmon, these provide omega-3s that actually reduce inflammation in the liver. 4. Exercise regularly. You don't need to run a marathon. Even 30 minutes of brisk walking or light strength training most days of the week can burn excess fat and improve insulin sensitivity. 5. Stay hydrated. Water helps your liver flush toxins. Aim for 8 to 10 glasses daily. 6. Herbal and natural supports. Some studies show benefits from natural remedies like green tea, milk thistle, turmeric, and coffee. Yes, coffee in. Moderation may protect the liver. 7. Maintain a healthy weight. Even losing just 5 to 10% of body weight can significantly reduce liver fat. Slow, steady weight loss is safer than crash dieting, which can stress the liver. The best part? The liver is an amazing organ. It has the ability to regenerate and heal itself if you give it the right conditions. You don't need expensive detox programs or extreme diets, just consistent, healthy lifestyle changes. So to sum it up, eat clean, move more, stay hydrated, and cut the sugar. Your liver will thank you, and you'll feel the difference in your energy, digestion, and overall health. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, comment, and share it with someone who might benefit. And don't forget to subscribe for more natural health tips every week. Take care of your liver, and it will take care of you.